Bible speaks of two women in 1 Kings chapter 3. Both of these women had a child, and the Bible says that at night one of their child died, and one of the women swapped the living child with the dead child. And so by morning it was found out that the child was dead to one of the mothers, and one of the women claimed the living child was hers. So a man of God named King Solomon was called to the attention of all of this. Now previously to this situation, King Solomon asked God for wisdom, and God gave him wisdom because he asked something that was pleasing to God. And so Solomon now exercises his wisdom in this situation, and he calls one of his servants to bring a sword and to bring the living child, and we will divide the child in half. Solomon is moving from his wisdom to find out who the true mother was of this child. And so the sword was brought. The sword was brought, and the child was about to be divided in half. Now both women are claiming that this living child is theirs. So King Solomon is about to find out, and he is about to slay the child with the sword. And the Bible says in 1 Kings chapter 3 and verse 26, "Then spake the woman whose the living child was unto the king, for her bowels yearned upon her son." So as Solomon was about to slay the child, the living child, the true woman, the true mother, her bowels yearned within her. For her bowels yearned upon her son, and she said, "Oh my Lord, give her the living child, and in no wise slay it." But the other said, "Let it be neither mine nor thine, but divide it." And so King Solomon found out who was the true mother of this child. The false woman was the one who wanted the child dead. The true mother of the child would rather give the child away to this woman who was claiming that it was hers, just so that the child would live. And so what's the point of all of this in regards to who is Christ's church, with so many different church denominations? Revelation chapter 12. In Revelation chapter 12, the Bible in symbolic language speaks of a woman who was being persecuted for a certain amount of time. Now the Bible begins by